I'm from Nasik, Koso India Private Limited. We are having this BMW X3, okay, and we were having some problems in the car, the major ones, and I went to the authorized dealers, and they have quoted me a lot, and it was in what do you call, the price was unexpected, and then I came to Zishan, one of the ex BMW employee who has started a new this workshop, Luxury Fix, in Nerul, and this car problem was solved by him with expertise and value for money. So I suggest you can visit this Luxury Fix for your cars, better performance, and that's all. Ciao.